wearing a dress.
Oh, okay. Can someone get it on video?
I am. And the other Matt's wearing a toga.
We have to show we have to show Michaela.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, gosh. He makes the dress. Yes.
And Whitney's close now. He makes the dress.
He makes the dress too. This is making my day. Okay, Matt. Me too. Oh, and then Matt making my day. Oh, necklace bracelet, bro. Taylor. No. Okay. Oh my goodness. This just made my day. Karn, you're in the way. Dude. Where's Brittany? And Matthew's wearing a toga. It's all good. Zoom out. Matt. Yeah. You have a leg. I have found respect for them.
Look great. Don't worry about it.
Now relax, Matter.
Your size looks fat.
Yes, that just does make your butt look big.
I need a picture of that.